Hi, it is Andrea, and today I want to introduce you to a new series I'm going to post on this YouTube channel. It's about AI imaging. Many photographers and followers of my websites and also on YouTube ask me to make some kind of introduction to AI imaging from a pure photography point of view like I am. And in this video I'm going to give you some context about that series that I'm going to publish soon. First of all, a bit of background about me. I am a classic photographer. I studied cinema. I made documentaries all around the world. Then I switched over to photography. I made documentaries, for example, in the COVID ward for 2 years. I also built the largest camera obscura that can take the largest color images direct in Ilfochrome. The project is called Cube Stories, and it creates one of a kind 1 meter per 1 meter unique images. So as you see, I have a wide interest in photography and I tried everything from analogic to digital, and I'm open to everything new that comes out. And as you all know, it's now time to talk about that AI imaging hype, if you want. And I know for a fact that many of my colleagues, photographers and also artists, really do hate those AI tools. To make it very simple, for mainly two reasons. One, because of copyright issues, because those AI tools actually use a wide database of images they find on the web to create those images, and there's a whole aspect of ethical discussion to make here that I'm not doing today. I want to see what's the potential as a matter of pure curiosity. The second reason the many artists and photographers hate it is because they say it's easy. You write a text, you get a wonderful image. It's too easy. And here my answer is that actually, yes, it's true that it's easy at the beginning, but it also is very creative and very complex if you move further. It's like saying playing Beatles is easy because I play guitar. If you know the Beatles songs, basically all songs, or nearly all songs, you can play them with 4 simple notes. So from that point of view, it's very easy to make music, but the very art is in the detail and in the combination of the simple commands. I think AI is just a tool, like a camera, like everything else, and you have to learn it to see the potential and also the weak spots of that tool. But I think every tool can be used for something that is positive, nice, unique, and artistic. The very good news for us photographers and artists is that I think you can use those AI imaging tools in a constructive and also business interesting way. Because as a photographer, you're not the camera you use. You have the thinking behind the image. You know what kind of image you want. You know how to construct that image. You have a lot of experience and skills inside of you that you can translate on an AI tool like you translate it on a camera. It's not the same, of course. There are differences, many differences. But I feel like all my knowledge that I have from my photography skills of the past 20 years, I can somehow really use it on those AI tools to create not photography, because it's not photography, but images that somehow reflect what I'm seeking and what I want to express. How will this series be? This series will not be tutorials. If you go on YouTube, you will find plenty of half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour tutorials explaining everything, how it works, every command. I will make very short videos about a very precise image I created, and showing also some variations of the image, so that you can start from that simple structure and from the simple, very effective image to create your own image. My private goal is actually to be able to use my real images, the images I take as a photographer, and be able to modify them with AI tools to add or remove some elements. Somehow, so you mix the best of two worlds. So from your real photographer work with the potential of the AI tools that could create something different and new that you couldn't do before. I would be happy if you keep following me, and this is it for today. See you soon.